Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of using different software in different locations, all with huge subscription plan every month? Paying for one tools for your email marketing, another for your website funnels, a third one for your CRM. By the end of the month, you are paying hundreds of dollars for dozens of different tools that doesn't even talk to each other. What if you could replace all of them? All of them with one single platform. Imagine building high converting funnels and nurturing leads with automated emails and SMS, managing your online reputation and reviews, collecting payments, and managing all your social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and all other social media platforms in just one single central dashboard. In this video, I am going to give you a complete A to Z walkthrough of the exact platform I used to do all of these. It is completely awesome platform for maintaining any business. But before we dive into the demo, I have a special offer for you. You can test this software for 1 month for free. This software normally only comes with 14-day free trials, but because you are watching this video and I have arranged for you to get a full 30 days free trial, so you can test without any charge. You can test it whole 30 days, and if you like this software, then only you can renew your monthly plan. But it gets even better. When you sign up with my link, you don't just get the software, you get a partner like me. As a web developer who uses this platform every single day for my clients, and I will personally guide you throughout the process to make sure you are set up for success. Are you ready to stop software chaos and finally have all-in-one system? And actually, it will work perfectly for your business. So let's start the main video. Welcome to a complete overview of the GoHighLevel platform. We are starting sub accounts. Let's look at calendars. GoHighLevel completely replaces tools like Calendly. You can see your standard weekly view or switch to the list view. Let's quickly book an appointment. You can see how easily it is to select a contact and a title and find the perfect time slot. All your bookings are managed right here. Moving to the contacts, this is your full feature CRM. Every leads, every customer, all their information is stored and organized right here, ready for your marketing campaigns. This is where the magic happens, the opportunities pipeline. This is your visual sales board. You can drag and drop clients from new leads to initial assessment, proposal, all the way to own. This is how you manage your entire sales process at a single glance. How about getting paid? The payments tab integrates directly with Stripe and other gateways. You can send invoice, create estimates, and manage all your business revenue from one dashboard. Now for marketing, we land on the social planner, so you can connect all your social accounts like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all others. Schedule posts in bulk or create evergreen contents. Keywords to post for your on autopilot. This is the real power of GoHighLevel automation. We are opening a marketing workflow folders and selecting a new lead nurture campaign. Look at this visual builder. It all starts with a trigger like a form submission. From there, it automatically creates an opportunity send a conversational email and an SMS and wait for a reply. And then if else logic to change the nurture based on their response. This is how you build a 24/7 sales machine. Let's check out the sales builder. First, we'll look at forms. We are editing a marketing form. What's this? You can just drag and drop the collect payment element right onto the form. This is usually turn any form into a checkout page. In the settings, you can even set up recurring payments and your subscription payment. All payments you can set from here. Back in the sites area, let's build a full funnel. We will click new funnel and choose from templates. GoHighLevel gives you a massive library of high converting proven designs. We will select this business development template. It loads in a second. And now we are in the drag and drop page builder. It is like WordPress Elementor page builder. If you use WordPress Elementor, then you can edit this drag and drop page builder very easily. As we scroll, you can see this is a beautiful professional landing page and ready to customize. I can customize any type of your landing page design, so you can contact with me, and with one click you can check the mobile view to ensure it is perfectly responsive on every devices. Next step, reputation management. This is a game changer for local business. The overview shows your stats. The request tab shows a live feed of all your customer reviews, and you can even use the widget tab to stream your 5-star reviews directly into your website, and you can hide your 1-star or spam reviews from here very easily. And I am willing to help you to hide any of your 1-star or bad reviews from here, and we can only show your 5-star reviews in your website smoothly. And what about your data? The reporting dashboard is incredibly comprehensive. You can pull all your data into one place, and we are looking at a Google Ads report, Facebook Ads report, and a detailed attribution report to see what is really driving sales, appointment report, and call report. You can even generate a full audit report from a new lead. So your data report is very smooth here. Now let's dive back into marketing to see the email builder. We will create a new campaign from a template just like the funnel builder. You can edit a huge library of beautiful email templates. We will open this video production template, and it is the easy way to use this builder as like Elementor. I have already mentioned it. And when it is a time to send, look at those options. You can send now, or you can make it scheduled for later, or best schedule to dip them out and send from an RSS feed, or use Smart Send to optimize your delivery times. So GoHighLevel is a leader in AI. Here is a quick look at the AI agent section and the agent studio, where you can build and train custom AI chatbots to handle conversation for your business. So as you can see, the platform is incredibly powerful. And how do you get it all set up? That's where I come in. Switching over my agency website, WebCityLab. When you partner with me, you don't just get the software, you get an expert. I have created these 3 all-in-one setup package to get you running fast. My essential setup is for only 247 monthly package, covers your full profile creation and your reputation management and your appointment management. I can do your monthly 247. So and my advanced setup package only for 497 monthly package, and it includes everything in the essential, plus I will maintain your workflow monitoring, panel monitoring, pipeline monitoring, and I will give you video training if you need. And my pro service, for the service I only take 980 monthly, and it is an ultimate done for you package. It adds server side tracking, adds performance monitoring, ultimate landing page design, and so much more. And if you purchase this 980 monthly package, I will do completely pro service for you, and hopefully it will be a massive business change for you. And this is how you take the power of GoHighLevel and plug it directly into your business. So thanks for watching.